Good morning children. Class 7 Science chapter number 12, that is Reproduction in Plant. Today's topic is Sexual Reproduction in Plants. In this module you will learn how sexual reproduction takes place in flowering plants. Flowers are the most beautiful part of the plant. Reproductive parts in a flower. Stamen is a male reproductive part. Carpel is a female reproductive part. Some flowers contain both male and female reproductive parts. Such flowers are called bisexual flowers. जिन फ्लावरों में both parts मेल एंड फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट्स होते हैं, ऐसे फ्लावर बाइसेक्सुअल फ्लावर कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल पी एंड चाइना रोज. सम फ्लावर possesses either the male or the female reproductive parts. Such flower are called unisexual flower. ऐसे प्लांट्स जिनमें एक ही रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन प्रेजेंट हो, या तो मेल या फीमेल, वो प्लांट्स यूनिसेक्सुअल फ्लावर कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कॉर्न, कुकुम्बर एटसेट्रा. A stamen is made up of two main parts, anther and filament. The anther produces pollen grains. Pollen grains contains the male gametes. Female reproductive part, carpel or pistil, is made up of three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Inside the ovary, ovules are present. It is the ovule that have female gametes called egg cell. For sexual reproduction to take place, a male gametes is to be fused with the female gametes, thereby forming a zygote. Pollination, the transfer of a male gametes from the stamen of a flower to the stigma of the same or the other flower, is called pollination. The pollen grains of the flower lands on the stigma of the same flower. It is called self-pollination. But if the pollen grain of the flower lands on the stigma of the other flower, then it is called cross-pollination. Agents of pollination: wind, water and animal. Once the pollen grain reaches the stigma, a tube grows from the pollen grains. This tube travels through the style and reaches the ovary. Male gametes reaches the female gametes. Male gametes reaches to the female gametes present in the ovules of the ovary. After that, male and female gametes fuse to form a zygote. This process is called fertilization. On the other hand, the ovary ripens and forms a fruit. At that time, the other parts of a flower like sepals and petals are fallen down. Thanks children.